experience starting out in '07 with contact mixers. That was the first batch we got. We had 3 new Kenworths.
They mounted new mixers on them, and those are the first 3 that we've ever gotten. We're actually still running them today.
We run them 12, 16-hour days, some 24-hour pours, and they just keep going. Mix time's everything. Dump a load in there in about a minute and a half out of the plant, pull it out, rinse it down, mix it up, and slump it out, and it's good to go.
And when we're unloading at a paver, we can unload 10 yards in about 90 seconds.
Use the same truck to pave a road as you can fill a wheelbarrow. Contractors like them, they dump smooth. We check every load before it goes out, and you got to climb a ladder 20 to 150 times a day. You can tell the difference in the ladder, and getting on a job site, everything in the back is set up perfect for putting chutes on, washing chutes, rinsing the drum down. They made taller rollers. You don't even have to clean them now. You just wash them out and get to the next job.
They're great to work with. Call somebody, they remember your name.
Still to this day, 12 years later, they're still checking in if we want to change certain things. Front to back, the truck's flawless now. I mean, they go.